Hello guys, we're in cabin crew, and yes, I am trying to complete the missing luggage thingy mission. Cause like, if you guys remember the previous attempt, I kind of failed. Obviously,
I forgot my gate. Nope, not this one.
Okay. My mac and cheese! Mac and cheese. What's your guys' favorite food? Honestly, hold on. Boom. Yes. Okay. Okay, bro. Gotta go. Are you serious? Gate 4. Gate 4. I don't care. Hope I'm not late. Yeah, me too, mate. I don't care. Bro, where's my pilot? Pilot, hurry up. Hurry up. I have something waiting for. Oh yeah, you're not supposed to see the pilots. Hurry up.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain.
Bro, put on your seatbelt.
Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with
Bro,
us.
did you
and
not
once
have
again,
safety
welcome
class?
aboard.
Push back. Am I supposed to do push back on the taxi guys or no? I can't tell. Oh my gosh, we already wasted 2 minutes. Also, I have a community Discord server that you guys should join. We're trying to get more people. If you want to join, check my bio. Check my bio. It has the link. It should be expired. So yeah, please.
Flight attendants, please be seated for takeoff.
Bro, it's not like I was born yesterday, okay? Imagine I get a notification during. Okay. Imagine I get a notification during this recording. That would actually be so funny. I'm gonna plan to do another 10 bus speed running Tower of Hell next week. I'm not doing it this week today, sadly. So yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. Never mind.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
I low-key like the female voice on the PA, I guess. Is that what you call it? Also, you guys should join Cabin Crew's Discord server. What is that? Oh, chicken nuggets. Coca-Cola. Bro, what the? Oh my gosh. I'm sorry about the Discord notifications, guys. Oops. Of course, you only want cola. Wait, who did I not? Oops. Oopsie. Sorry, forgive me. Wait, why?
This is your captain for the flight deck. We have started our...
Yes, please, I need a British accent.
Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin crew will be coming through the cabin shortly to collect any trash. Thank you.
This ain't British. This ain't British, mate. Oh my. Screw the trash.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Great.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are preparing for landing. Please return to your seats. Fasten your seatbelt. Place your seat back and tray table upright, and stow any remaining items.
Bro, what is this? This ain't British.
We're having a medical issue. Please stand up if you're a doctor.
Bro, ma'am. Dehydrated? I don't know, guys, I'm sorry. I forgot what he said. Oh, it's nervous, dude. Bro, what the? No! I'm a flight attendant, not a dang doctor. What do you think I am? A doctor? No. Oh, 12 minutes. That's not that bad, is it? Hold on, what's this? I'm totally not on my phone right now. Continue. Bro, I cannot tell you how many times I forgot to put on Do Not Disturb for a recording. Like, I cannot tell you the amount of times I have forgotten. But what the... Oh, he landed. But sorry, I was distracted. I got distracted. Bro, why you guys standing up? We didn't even... Bro. Hurry up. Ah, no, I gotta go. I gotta go. Where's that dang suitcase? The dang suitcase. Hurry up. Hold on. I'm not... Bruh. Come on. Oh, my suitcase just forgot my flight. Never mind. Oh my gosh, I almost got a panic attack. Hurry up. I don't go day.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard flights 997 to Rome, blocks F. Please take your assigned seat and place smaller items completely underneath the seat in front of you and larger items in the overhead bins. If you need assistance, a flight attendant will be happy to help. Flight attendants, arm doors and cross-check.
Why am I wasting time? Bro, what? Are you joking? Push back. Hurry up, I don't go there. Yo, wait, I'm gonna call someone. Grace. Call now. I'm gonna ping someone. Bruh, please call. Oh yeah, I forgot to. And sorry if I. Bro, pilot, hurry up. If she watches this video, I'm gonna give you a dummy pet away if she does. There's no way. Also remember, I didn't say what pet. Bro, pilot, hurry up.
Stereo band is wrong. Chronometry dash. Don't worry, I got you.
Totally not watching YouTube. Bro, I don't have time.
Flight attendants, please be seated for
Oh
takeoff.
my, Adami, shut up. Please just shut up. No. Grace. Hi, Grace. Okay, I pinged her 3 times. I swear to God, Grace, please. Bruh. Oh my God, they're floating. Help. I swear, guys, please help. Oh my gosh, how long is this gonna take?
This is your captain from the flight deck.
If we
We have
just
reached our
hurry
cruising
up.
altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Oh my gosh, hurry up. I gotta start, hurry up. Who stole the TVs? Was it you? Sorry. Come on, come on, come on.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have
I better
started our
complete it.
and we'll be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
It's where. Oh my gosh, pilots, please hurry up. Please, please. Hold on, what's the time? Oh yeah, 7:24. Oh my, yo, pilots, who trained you? Oh my god, I don't got much time left. Please hurry up. Bro, pilots, are you guys trying to be fast? Cool, I don't care. Please, 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 I need my, I don't want to be fired. Please, please, please. Okay, I'm not doing these by spoon and comforter. Oh well. No. Bruh. Yeah. Oops. Oh, I got 40 subscribers actually. Hey Grace, what's up? I'm just about done. No! Cabin Crew! Bruh, you forgot about Cabin Crew. What? Bruh, dude. Bruh, Grace, was that necessary?
Yeah, it was very necessary.
No, it's not. And Grace, I failed the luggage mission, the Missy luggage mission. Bruh, hold on, what? Really, wall hop tower. You know I'm still recording, right? Oh my holy jump scare, what was that? Okay. Bro, what was that? Bye guys.